Flash flood warning. Yo, hit it up with the volume.
Boy, it's not even raining.
It was raining around somewhere.
The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a flash flood warning for northern Miami-Dade
Okay,
County
my
and
phone.
southeastern Florida
Okay, my
until
fucking
3:45 p.m.
Shut up.
Okay,
At
my
1:41
fucking
p.m.,
eyes.
Doppler radar indicated
wait.
thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Miami, Hialeah, Coral Gables, South Miami, Kendall, North Miami, Doral, Pinecrest, Opa-locka, Miami Springs, Sweetwater, Miami Shores, West Miami, El Portal, Medley, Miami International Airport, Coral Terrace, Westchester, Fontainebleau, and University of Miami. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report flooding to your local law enforcement agency when you can do so safely.
Huh. But it ain't even raining. It ain't even raining that bad. Like what? Okay, now I can see why. It was quite dark and cloudy back there.